In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to a GoDaddy website. If you want to track your visitors, understand where your traffic is coming from, and see how people are interacting with your site, connecting Google Analytics is a very important step. The good news is that in GoDaddy, the setup process is straightforward and only takes a few moments once you know where to click. To begin, go ahead and open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website you want to update, so you can access the correct site settings without any confusion. Once you're inside your account, look for your profile area and click on it. This is where you can access the main account options and the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently have under your account, including websites, domains, and other services. Take a moment to locate the website you want to connect with Google Analytics. Next, click on Website. After that, select Manage for the specific site you want to work on. This will open the control area for that website, where you can make updates and adjust settings. Now click Edit Website. This takes you into the website editor, which is where GoDaddy lets you manage both the design and key integrations for your site. Inside the editor, find and click Settings. In this section, you'll see options related to your website configuration. Look for the Google Analytics option and click on it. At this point, you'll need your Google Analytics ID. Paste your Google Analytics ID into the appropriate field carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. This ID is what links your website to your analytics account, so accuracy matters here. After pasting the ID, click Publish. Publishing is the final step that applies the change to your live website. If you leave the editor without publishing, the connection may not be saved, so don't skip this part. Once your site is published, Google Analytics should begin tracking visitor activity on your website. Keep in mind that it may take a little time before data starts appearing in your analytics dashboard, so don't worry if you don't see results immediately. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website. If you found this helpful, you can use these same navigation steps anytime you need to update your tracking settings in the future.